done with this shit. Hello? Mom, is that you?
No.
John?
No.
Bob?
No.
Well, who the hell is this?
7 days.
7 days?
Yes.
For pizza?
What? No.
I ordered 4 hours ago.
What? No.
Well, hell no. I'm gonna call Domino's from now on.
Don't hang up.
Kan jeg lige få dig med? Har du 2-5 minutter?
Ja.
Eller ej? Tryllekunstner? Jeg vil lige prøve noget på dig. Har du en 50'er? Så skal du se rigtig tryllekunst. Gør vi lige sådan her. Så skal du se, hvordan den her den forsvinder. Okay. Luk øjnene. Tænk på en strand. Masser af palmetræer. Er det afslappende?
Give me your number. I said, write yourself. Give me your number. Should I spell it out for you? Come on, your number. Just let me get your number, please. Your number. Your number. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Thank you.
Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted, one moment, did you capture it? Or just let it slip?
Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, loud. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes gravity. Choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. His soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder, homie grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These hoes is all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the Globetrotter. Lonely roads, God only knows he's grown farther from home. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, cause here goes the cold water. These hoes don't want him no more. He's cold product. They move
tror du, du vil være god her i Greve Gymnasiets kor?
Altså, nu har jeg set koret lidt, og de er simpelthen forfærdelige at se på. Og så tænkte jeg, så kunne jeg jo bidrage med noget smukt, ikke?
Så du mener altså, at det ville være perfekt, hvis du kom ind i koret?
Ja, det er det, jeg siger.
Hvad vil du definere som perfekt? Hvad er det til?
Altså, kig på mig, ikke?
Jeg tror ikke, at jeg forstår, hvad du mener.
Hvad mener du med, at du ikke forstår?
I mine øjne, der ser du ikke særlig perfekt ud lige nu.
Der skal mere ting.
Det er alt for useriøst til mig. Det der, jeg skal have en, der kan synge, og en, der går ikke så meget op i alt det andet, så jeg vil godt blive omgå.
Fint, nu hvad? Det er der, der giver dig noget.
Ja, det er meget muligt.
Hej.
Hej, Daniel.
Ja, hvad kan man Daniela, ikke?
Daniela, hvad tror du, at du kunne bidrage med til Greve Gymnasiets pigekor?
Pigo, jamen, de har ikke en så meget, det vil jeg garantere for. Jeg er lidt for lækker, ikke? Jamen, jeg vil gerne synge en sang af Pussycat Dolls. Du ved, den der Don't You Wish? Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Don't you? Don't you, baby? Don't you? Don't you?
Det der, det var simpelthen så flot. Det var i stor klasse, altså. Det var nogle rigtig fine
musikere
med det. Jo, også stor klasse.
Er jeg så videre eller hvad?
Altså, det er helt klart, det er for mig. 100%.
Jeg siger nej. Jeg er ikke så vild med dit tøj og... Nej.
Altså, jeg synes ikke rigtigt, at du kunne ramme sådan tonen ordentligt nok. Dansen, det er ligesom om, at du ikke rigtig har nogen rytme, og du kunne ikke rigtig mærke musikken og følge trinene på de rigtige takter. Det er ked af, men tak for indsatsen.
Tak, Daniel.
Tak.
Det er så okay. Ses bare så.
Hej. Hej, Tanja. Nu vil jeg så fortælle os, hvorfor du er her i dag.
Jeg er her, fordi jeg er bare så god til at synge. Jeg er sikker på, at jeg kan blive korets stjerne.
Og hvad har du valgt at synge for os?
Jeg har valgt at synge mit yndlingsnummer med Burn Rice, No Promises. Hey baby, when we are together, doing things that we love every... Jeg er bare lidt nervøs. Giv mig lige en chance til. I don't wanna run away, baby. You're the one I need tonight.
Ja, tak.
No problem.
Meget, meget indestående.
Tak. Kan vi lide det?
Helt klart, ja.
Hvad siger du?
Ja, jeg er nok nedstemt, men det er jo flertallet, der bestemmer, så du går videre.
Ja!